Welcome to HomePan TriPro. If you are someone who tosses and turns all night, or wakes up with a nagging lower back ache, you know how hard it is to find the right mattress. Today we are taking a deep dive into the EGOHOME Queen 14-inch memory foam mattress. Promising back pain relief, advanced cooling tech, and a fiberglass-free design, this mattress-in-a-box aims to upgrade your sleep setup. Let us break down what makes this mattress tick, look at the pros and cons, and help you decide if it deserves a spot in your bedroom. Let us start by looking at the build and features. Right out of the box, this is a substantial 14-inch mattress. Unboxing is straightforward since it comes compressed and rolled in a compact box. You just pull it out, cut the plastic, and let it decompress. The manufacturer recommends waiting about 12 hours for the memory foam to fully expand to its original shape and thickness. One of the standout features of the EGOHOME mattress is its focus on safety and cooling technology. The outer layer utilizes a cool sensation fabric combined with graphene technology. Graphene is known for its thermal conductivity, meaning it helps pull heat away from your body so you do not wake up in a sweat. Underneath this cover, you get a safe and effective flame retardant inner layer that completely avoids the negative aspects of fiberglass and other harsh chemicals. For anyone worried about breathing in harmful particles or skin irritation from traditional fiberglass fire socks, this is a massive win. Moving to the core comfort layers, this mattress uses advanced memory foam developed by MLILY. The top layer features copper gel aerofusion memory foam. The copper infusion is not just a marketing gimmick. It actually helps regulate moisture and odors, reducing the risk of bacteria buildup and ensuring a cleaner sleep environment. Beneath that, you will find MLILY Adaptofoam, which boosts breathability and airflow while providing a latex-free rebound. Finally, the high-density base foam anchors the entire structure, giving your neck, shoulders, and spine the sturdy support they need throughout the night. This mattress is also CertiPUR-US certified, meaning the foams are made without ozone depleters, heavy metals, or harmful flame retardants. On top of that, it has received an endorsement from the International Chiropractors Association, highlighting its design focus on proper spinal alignment and back pain relief. If you struggle with pressure points on your hips and shoulders, the combination of contouring memory foam and supportive base foam works to distribute your weight evenly. It also boasts great motion isolation, so if you sleep with a partner who tosses and turns, you will barely feel them moving around. Now, every product has its drawbacks, so let us talk about the pros and cons starting with the pros. First, the temperature regulation is impressive. Thanks to the graphene cooling cover and the copper gel foam, you stay noticeably cooler compared to traditional memory foam mattresses that trap heat. Second, the safety profile is top tier. Being completely fiberglass-free gives you peace of mind. Third, the ergonomic support is fantastic. The endorsement from the International Chiropractors Association is well earned, as it truly helps alleviate pressure on the lower back. Fourth, the motion isolation is exceptional, making it a great choice for couples. On the cons side, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. First, because it is a dense 14-inch memory foam mattress, it is quite heavy. Unboxing and positioning it on your bed frame is definitely a two-person job. Second, and this is very important, there is no trial period. Once you open the mattress, it cannot be returned. You are relying entirely on the 10-year limited warranty, which covers defects and delivery damage, but does not allow returns just because you decided you want a different firmness level. Finally, if you prefer a bouncy spring mattress, the deep contouring feel of high-density memory foam might take a few nights to get used to. To wrap things up, the EGOHOME Queen 14-inch memory foam mattress delivers on its core promises. It offers a great balance of contouring pressure relief and solid spinal support, making it a strong contender for anyone battling back pain. The inclusion of graphene cooling technology keeps night sweats at bay, and the fiberglass-free construction ensures a safer sleep environment. Just remember that you need to be certain about your purchase before opening it, since returns are not accepted once unboxed. If you want a thick, supportive, and cool sleeping surface that takes care of your back, this mattress is well worth considering. Link in the description.